Welcome back to day 6 of my 30-day spring cleaning challenge. As you know, if you've been here the previous 5 days, I asked AI to create me an accurate, realistic spring cleaning schedule for the entire month of April. So I'm posting a video every single day in April to get that spring cleaning done and hopefully give you some motivation along the way. As you can see, we are in my office today. I recently made over my office. If you missed that video, I'll put a link to it right up here in this corner. It was a major transformation. We went from this disaster to this beautiful space. I absolutely love it in here, but I did think it was missing one thing. I felt like I needed some furniture over there under the window. You'll see in just a little bit here exactly what I'm talking about. So I did get a very large piece of furniture and we're gonna build it as part of today's video. I did deep clean in here when I made over the space, so we won't be doing any deep cleaning, but we will be doing some major picking up. I have puzzles all over the place from my kids being in here and working on puzzles while I was on my computer. My desk is a mess. Everything needs to be dusted, and then we're gonna build that furniture. This day was actually scheduled for day 24, but I really needed a break from the kitchen because we've spent quite some time in there. I still need to declutter and deep clean my fridge, freezer, and declutter and organize in my pantry, but we're gonna move that to a later date and focus on my office today because I'm just excited to get that furniture built and see what it looks like in here. I think it will be beautiful. I'm thinking today's video will be on the shorter side because there's not too much to do in here. There's lots of picking up, dusting, and like I said, furniture building, which we all know I am terrible at. So hopefully everything goes well there, but let's get to it. I feel like I want to share that I recorded that whole intro twice because the first time I recorded it, my lights were off in my office. How did I not notice that? That is so silly. Cake mix. My kids brought me cake mix because they obviously wanted to make some cake. I'm going to leave the built puzzles built because I just would feel bad ruining them while they are at school. So these ones, I can see they've started. There's only 3 pieces put together here. So this one I'm going to put away, and then there's one right in front of me that has quite a few pieces done. I'm probably going to just scoot it to the side or like maybe even somewhere in the middle and leave it in here for them. They love puzzles and I certainly don't want to just take it apart just because I'm cleaning up. I actually decided rather than just moving these puzzle pieces aside, I'm going to put the loose pieces back in the bag and leave the built pieces out. So it's just a little bit more cleaned up. I love this. I know I'm going to miss it one day when my kids are grown, so they don't stay little forever. I'm totally fine with leaving all of this stuff out. Look at all the stars.
let's go. Look around, where's the people at? I want a taste of the good life. Hit me with it right now, in it. Cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh, I want it, let's go. And I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about.
I'm dragging you too. Okay, I'm gonna pull again.
You are dragging me.
This is hard, isn't it? Here, let's see. Oh,
I'm pulling too.
there we go. Teamwork. Yay. Oh, good job. High five. Thanks for your help.
One.
Ow.
About the back home. It's Cincinnati, baby. I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah. Maybe I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah. Cincinnati, baby. Cincinnati, baby. Yeah, Cincinnati, baby. Cincinnati, baby. It's 2 a.m.
I guess this is a futon, not a sofa like I originally thought. I mean, what's the difference? Oh, you know what the difference is, Hazel? It turns into a bed. Is that cool? All right. I'm terrible at building things, but we're gonna try it
I'm
anyway.
good at building.
You are perfect, because I'm gonna need your help. Should we do this? You ready? I'm ready.
I don't understand.
We'll figure it out together, okay?
Because I don't even know what food times are.
When we close the bar, but we're in the get-go. Next place, give me some more. I could dance with you beneath the stars. Cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want you. Everything stops when you move like that. And I wanna get in close to you. It's what I'm gonna do. Cause right now I'm in it. I feel kinda dizzy when I'm staring at you. And I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the back home. It's Cincinnati, baby. I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Yeah. Maybe I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here.
Who will do it on Marco? Wait for high five. Let me try again.
Oh.
Let's try again. Let's try one more time. Use your strength.
Okay.
Wait.
Oh my
You-
gosh.
you-
Okay, do you see this part? Can you unscrew all of these off of there?
Cincinnati, baby. Cincinnati, baby. Cincinnati, baby. Cincinnati, baby.
All right, ready? We're gonna pull it back a little bit and then flip it over. I'm gonna do it right. Okay, it's gonna kind of go. That's okay.
We broke it.
Here, scoot it back. Walk backwards. There we go. Okay, careful. Hold on. I'm gonna bend this back. Okay, stop. Now we're gonna flip it like this.
Everything stops when you move like that, yeah. Everything stops when you move like that, yeah. Everything stops when you move like that. And I wanna get in close to you. It's what I'm gonna do. Cause right now I'm
I'm strong.
Oh, yeah, you are. You're a tough girlie.
I can screw stuff all by myself.
You did do a good job.
Do, do, do. Happy spring cleaning.
Nothing matters when we're way out here.